Hey guys and gals, today we're going to jump right into this cooking creation. This was definitely on a whim. So today we're making swami fish, that's how I call it, with sweet heat from Popeyes and Polynesian sauce. That's right folks, 1 pack. You're going to take your little knife or whatever you have, a spoon, and slather it up on that fish after you mix it together. And this is what was left in the bowl that I used. And that was the knife, of course, that I used. And you're going to have a baggie. You're going to want a gallon-sized bag so you can put your breadcrumbs and your seasoning mix inside. So those are the breadcrumbs that I use, Italian-style breadcrumbs. And then the seasoning that I used pretty much was Goya. You can get any type of seasoning that you like, but I like this one. It comes with pepper in it. After you're done with that, your fish should look like this, breaded. I just shook it up in the baggie and then I laid it down in the tray. So the next step is you set your oven to 355. I didn't put a timer, but I did time it, and it was about 20 to 25 minutes, and your fish comes out golden brown. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace.